Hi, Sarah here from RCT Parenting. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a family kindness jar. This is something I have recommended to many families who are experiencing difficulties with negative behaviours from their children. And from introducing the kindness jar, they have seen positive results. It can be so easy to get caught up in the negative behaviours children display, and unintentionally it can be all we focus on. A kindness jar is a great way of changing this and getting us to look for the more positive things a child does. So the way the jar works is to get everyone together in the house. Explain to them that you want everyone in the house to think of a family treat. This may be something like a family games night, film night, a trip to the park, ice cream shop, or even McDonald's. Anything you can think of that could be an incentive for the child. What you do is mark a line on the jar and explain to them that for every act of kindness they display, they get to put some tokens in the jar. And as soon as it has reached that line, they receive their reward. This is a great way for parents to look for the positives the child does and reward their efforts. It gives a successful parenting strategy using positive reinforcement. I would recommend not prolonging the reward, as the child will get bored and give up. You want to look at filling the jar within about 5 to 7 days to keep them engaged. I would also recommend not taking any tokens out of the jar, as the child has already earned them from the positive behaviour they have displayed. Also remember to be consistent when praising and recognising your child's efforts. Here are some examples of what you could use. Here I have a clear jar and at the side I have a bowl of pasta. So every time an act of kindness is displayed, you just pop tokens in the jar. Be mindful of the size of the jar, as you may need to put a handful in each time to get the jar filled to that line. You can also look at using coloured pebbles like these, or plastic coin tokens, maybe shells, cotton wool balls, Lego, glittery pom-poms, anything you can think of to get that jar full. So that's basically the way we look at using a kindness jar, and it really has had positive effects. So I hope it is able to help you with reinforcing the positive behaviours in your home.